Today we have a new lesson. Let's see what we have today. Our lesson today is Chapter 12, Lesson 1, Solving Two-Step Equations. Before we start, let's warm up our memories with a small question. Okay? Evaluate each expression. Remember how we evaluate expression? How we evaluate expressions? We said we will work inside the brackets first, and then we will work outside the brackets. Okay, and we will work from left to right. We will start with multiply and divide, and then we will take multiplication and division. That's correct? Okay, so here we will work inside the brackets. So here we have this brackets. We have here -7 plus 3, so it will be 3, -7, so it will be -5 over 12 multiply 12. So when we simplify, 12 will go out with 12, so we will have 3 -7 will be -4 over 12 multiplies 12. So here 12 will go out with 12. When we simplify, 12 will go out with 12. The result or the answer will be -4. Here, first we work inside the brackets. 7 minus 5 will be 2. 2 multiplies 4, 8. 26 minus 8 is 18. I want to simplify the expression, not evaluate, not find the result. I want just simplify. We have 10c and c. First, we need to find the like terms. What is the like terms here? C and c. 10c and 1c, it will be 11c. Here, 8.2b plus 3.8b minus 12b. So we will take 8 minus 8.2 plus 3.8 minus 12. This will equal 0. 0b, so it equals 0. So if the coefficient 0, so the variable will be 0, because the relationship between the variable and the coefficient is multiplication. So 0 multiply anything equals 0. Here, 5m plus 2 multiplies 2m -7. First, we need to start inside the brackets. We have anything to do inside the brackets? No, because they are two different terms, unlike terms. So what we will do, we will take here 2. We will use the distributive property. Do you remember what is the distributive property? It's 2 multiply the number outside with the numbers inside the brackets. So 2 multiply 2m will be 4m, and 2 multiply -7 will be -14. 4m plus 5m is 9m, -14. Okay, we have here 6x -2x plus 5. Why I put here a bracket? Because I need to distribute the negative inside the bracket. So negative, I will multiply it with positive 2x, so it will be -2x, and here will be -5. So 6x -2x will be 4x, and the 5 will take negative. Don't forget to give the negative to the both sides. So here, let's start to solve questions. But put in your mind, you need to combine like terms or use distributive property before you begin solving. Okay, let's start the first one. We have 8x minus 21 minus 5x. This equals -15. I want to find x, the value of x. Okay, or simplifying, I want to solve the equation. Before we start, we need to simplify first. Okay, we have here, where is the like terms? Where is the like terms? 8x and -5x. So we will take the like terms together, 8x and -5x. So we have 8x and -5x will be 3x, and -21 equals -15 is same. Now what we will do, we set in the order of operation. What we doing? We start with divide, multiply, adding, subtracting. So here we will come forward. So we will start with adding or subtracting and then multiplying or division. So we are coming back or making forward. So what is the relationship between 3x and 21? The relation between 3x and 21 is the relation between 3 and x is multiply, and the relation between x and 21 is subtract. So we will start with subtract or multiply. We said we will go forward, so we will start with subtract. Okay, so I will, here it's minus, so I will add 21 to the both sides. This is equal sign. Equal sign means anything in this side equals to this side. Whatever I will do here, I should do it here. If I add here, so I will add here. If I multiply here, so I need to multiply here. So it will be, I will add 21 in the both sides. So 3x same, negative 21 and plus 21, this is mean 0. Negative 15 and plus 21, it will be 6. Now, what is the relation between 3 and x? It's multiply. So to undo the multiplication, what we will do, we will divide. So we will divide both sides by 3. 3 divided 3 is 1, and 6 divided 3 is 2. The answer is 2. Okay, let's go next. We have 4 equals 2x plus 5 minus 6x. Let's take the like terms in each side. Like terms in each side. In this side, what is the like terms? 2x and negative 6x. Okay, so we will take 2x and negative 6x. This means negative 4x, okay, plus 5 equals 4. Then we have here 5, so we need to subtract 5 from the both sides. So the result here will be negative 4x, and here will be negative 1. And then what is the relation between 4 and x? It's multiply. So we want to remove 4, we will divide by 4 here and here. So we will have 1 over 4, and negative with negative will go out. So it will be x equals 1 over 4. Let's go next. We have here 2a plus 3, negative 8a equals 8. So what we said? First, we will start with the like terms, 2a and 8a. 2a, negative 8a, this will equal negative 6a. And 3 here is adding. We will put it in the other side. We want to remove it from here, so we will subtract. Subtract 3 from the both sides. Okay, after that, what is the relation between 6 and a? It's multiplication. So what we will do, we will divide. Let's go next. We have here negative 8, negative 2d plus 2 equals 4. Where is the like terms? Do we have any variable d? No, we don't have variable d. So what we will do, we will keep d as it is, and we will take the like terms. Where is the like terms here? 8 and 2 are like terms. So negative 8 and plus or positive 2, this will equals negative 6. Negative 2d and negative 6 equals 4. Here I have negative 6, so I will add 6 both sides. 2d, negative 2d will equals 10. Then what is the relation between negative 2 and d? The relation is multiplication. So what we will do, we will divide. We will divide by negative 2 in both sides. Negative 2d divided by negative 2, it's d, and 10 divided negative 2 is negative 5. Let's check another example. We have here 4x, negative 8 plus 2x equals 40. So what we will do, we will take the like terms. What is the like terms? 4x and plus 2x. 4 and 2 equals 6x, negative 8 equals 40. Let's check. Okay, we'll check the like terms together, and negative 8 here subtract, so we will add 8 in both sides. And then what is the relation between 6 and x? It's multiplication. So what I will do now, I will divide both sides by 6. So 6 divided 6 is 1, and 48 divided 6 is our second part here. Our second part here to use distributive property to solve the equations. We have here 5 multiplying b negative 2 equals negative 15. What we will do here? First, we need to solve inside the brackets. But inside the brackets, it's unlike terms. So how we will add them or subtract them? So we need to distribute 5 to the both terms. We will distribute 5 to the both terms. We will distribute. How we will distribute the 5? We will multiply 5 to the both terms. So we will multiply 5 to the both terms. So 5 multiply b, it will be 5b, and 5 multiply negative 2, it will be negative 10. Okay, so it will be 5b and negative 10 equals negative 15. Here, do we have any like terms in one side? No. Then we need to take out 10 from here. It's subtracting, so we will add 10 in both sides. So we have now 5b equals negative 5. To remove 5 from here, it's multiplication. To remove 5 from here, it's multiplies. So what we will do? We will divide. So 5b divided 5 and negative 5 divided 5. Whatever we are doing in this side, we will doing in the other side. So 5 divided 5 is 1, and negative 5 divided 5 is negative 1. Also, you can think about the negative sign as a coefficient of negative 1. So if I have negative outside the x plus 2 inside the bracket, so imagine that this negative is negative 1. So when we multiply negative 1 here and here, so it will be negative x and negative 2. So negative x also is equals negative 1x. Okay, give the sign to the coefficients. Let's check here. We have 10y negative, and we open brackets 4y plus 8. So first we need to send the negative inside the brackets to the both terms. We said, imagine that we have here 1 as a coefficient. Okay, imagine we have here 1 as a coefficient, and the 1 took the sign, so here will come back as plus. So let's multiply negative 1 in the both terms. We will have negative 1 multiply 4y and negative 1 multiply 8. Simplify, so it will be negative 4 and negative 8. Okay, take the like terms, 10y and 10y minus 4y. This will be 6y negative 8. I will remove 8, so I will add 8 in the both sides. Okay, so I have 6y equals 12, negative 12. We have 6y negative 12. This clear for now? It's okay. 6y equals negative 12. Here the relation between 6 and y is multiply, so I will divide. I will divide 6 in the both sides, so it will be y equals negative 2. Let's check here. Use the distributed property to solve here. So 3 will be multiplied inside the bracket to the both terms. So 3 will be distributed to the both terms. 3 multiply a and 3 multiplies 1. It will be 3a plus 3 negative 4. Where is the like terms here? The like terms, it will be 3 and negative 4, because we don't have more variable. We don't have more a. So it will be negative 1. Here negative 1, we will remove it by adding 1 in both sides. Okay. And then we will remove the 3. We will remove the 3. 3 here is multiplying, so we will divide 3 in both sides. Okay, let's take our next question. We have negative 4 and this multiply to negative y equals 8. What we will do, we will use a distributive property for negative 4 and 2 minus y. Okay, so negative 4 will be multiplied inside the brackets 2 minus y, so it will be negative 4 multiplies y and negative 4 multiplies negative y. Negative 4 multiplies 2 and negative 4 multiplies negative y. Will be here negative 8 and here will be negative multiplying negative positive, positive 4y. Do we have more like terms? We don't have. So what we will do, we will take out 8 by adding 8 to the both sides. After that, the relation between 4 and y is multiply. So what we will do, we will divide. Okay, so the answer will be y equals 4. Let's complete. Okay, take this hint. Notice that the equation contains multiplications or division and addition. These equations will take a lot of steps, okay? And in each step you will create equivalent equations at each step. So let's see how. We have here 2x plus 1 divided 3 equals 7. I have here fraction. So how I take out fraction from the equation? The best way to take out fraction from here, or the 3 from here, is to multiply the both sides by 3. Here, this is divided by 3. To inverse divide, we will multiply. So here, so we will multiply the both side by 3. 3 will be out with 3, and 3 multiplies 7. So 3, we will take out 3 from 3. So it will be 2x plus 1 and 3 multiplies 7 equals 21. Yalla, let's do our steps again. We will take out 1 from both sides by subtract 1 in the both sides, and then 2x, it's multiplies, so we will divide it in the both sides. It will be x equals 10. You understand? Another one. We have here divided by 2. So divide, what we will do with divide? Divide will be multiply in the both sides. So let's multiply in the both sides. Here we multiplies here by 2 and multiplies here by 2. Here I will remove 2 with 2. So remaining 3x negative 4. And here 2 multiply 7 is 14. Take out 4. It's subtract, so we will add 4 in the both sides. 18 equal 3x. Okay, what we will do with the 3 is multiply, so we will divide by 3. Let's go next. 5m plus 13 divided 2 equals 1. First I will divide 2, I will multiply by 2 both sides. Then I will remove 2 with 2, so remaining from here 5m plus 13, and here 2 multiplies 1 is 2. Remove 13, 13 is adding, so we will minus 13 from both sides. Okay, 5m, the relation between 5 and m is, the relation between 5 and m is multiply. So what we will do, we will divide 5 both sides. The important for us to keep the variables at the end without coefficient. We are removing coefficient from the variable. Here it's divided by 4. So what we will do, we will multiply 4 both sides. So here we multiply by 4 and here multiply by 4. When we multiply here by 4, what we will do, we will remove 4 from here and here. We will simplify, so take out 4 with 4. Remaining from here is 4 minus 2x, and here 4 multiplies negative 2, it's negative 8. I have here 4. What I will do with the 4? 4 here, it's, what is the sign of 4 here? Sign of 4 here is positive, but the negative is for 2. Okay, be careful. So the sign for 4 here is positive. So we will remove it by negative 4 from both sides, or subtract 4 from both sides. And here negative 2. When I divide, I will divide negative 2 in both sides. Negative 2. Negative 2 divided negative 2 is 1. And negative 12 divided negative 2, negative divided negative is positive, and 12 divided 2 is, so x equals 6. We have 2 steps today. You have to combine like terms or use distributive property before you begin solving, or you need to make multiplications or division or addition or subtract, and this will give you multiply, and this requires a lot of steps. Okay? At the end of our lesson today, wait for me next video to solve your book. Thank you.